What's up, YouTube? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you my most guarded secret on how to use Facebook to make $300 per day with Clickbank. So up until now, if you've been following this Clickbank series, you know that I've shown you how to use YouTube in order to make money with Clickbank. But today we're going to flip the script and we're going to go on over to Facebook, and I'm going to share with you how I'm able to get leads through Facebook, and most important, how I'm slipping through Facebook's radar and sending people over to Clickbank offers right off of Facebook. If this is your first time arriving on this video or any one of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I come out with more updates on new ways of marketing your business, mainly about advertising, but in general I do talk about other make money online opportunities for those of you that want other resources or ways to make money online. In addition to that, in the course of this video, if you feel like I'm giving you value or give you some aha moments, or you feel like I'm dropping golden nuggets in your bucket today, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video. So the way that we're going to actually do Facebook ads today is going to be a whole different ball game versus how we used to do them back in the past, where we just go ahead and direct link straight to the Clickbank offer and just call it a day. Now those days are over with, and you have to be a little bit sneaky on the way that you're going to market Clickbank offers on Facebook. So I figured out over the course of this last year on how to do that and also get leads on 2 different autoresponders at the same exact time. So I'm going to be sharing with you those tips inside this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and hop on over to my computer and share with you these details. Alright, so we're on over to my laptop, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw out exactly what this looks like for those of you that are visual and need to know exactly what this looks like. Now this is not rocket science. Don't think that this is something that's like I said, very complex or anything like that. Literally, all you got to do is follow my few steps here that I'm going to share with you. So, I'm going to get my little crayon out, and I'm going to draw the first box here. And literally, this first box is you picking a Clickbank product, okay? And it has to be the make money online niche in order for this to work. Otherwise, you're going to have to get very creative on the way you market other products, because that's not how I've used this exact strategy to make money with. So you're going to find a Clickbank product in the make money online niche, meaning products that teach people how to make money online. So like the Ecom Sniper or the AZ Code, CB University, those different products on Clickbank. Right, and I'm not going to go to detail about Clickbank because you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make money with Clickbank, and so using Facebook ads. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight in. Now the video, and we specifically use videos on Facebook in order to use this strategy. So you've got to use a video. It doesn't have to be your video. I highly suggest that you use somebody else's video in order to make it work, and there's a specific kind of video to make it work. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, it is one of those like cliche videos of someone counting money on the screen, okay? And it is what it is. It's just the type of videos that do work with this strategy. And I've done it, I have students that have done it. It just works, okay? So I'm going to go through that strategy here. But your idea and your whole method behind this is to use a video, okay, a video ad, and I cannot draw, so please excuse me. We're going to use the video, and then that video is not going to have any links whatsoever going to any website or anything at all. Your whole, and I can't even spell video, your whole concept in this video is to get them to like, comment, share, and tag 2 friends that would like the information, and also comment I want info. Okay, so it's just a few steps for them to take, and once they do that, you're then going to have that post on your Facebook connected to something called ManyChat. And I'm going to put MC for short, but ManyChat, which I'm going to go over with you in a quick second, is a automated bot that messages people based off the responses that they make on your video on Facebook. So, you know, with that being said, it's going to message them and it's going to send them the link to the Clickbank offer that you are promoting. Okay, and then and so I think that's actually it. Clickbank video, ManyChat, done. Yeah, so that's the whole strategy there. Boom, right in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on over to my Facebook real quick. I'm going to give you an example. So this is a video that I did a while back, actually 11 months ago, and I still use it every now and then. But it's got 686 likes, 610 comments, 323 shares. Let me walk you through the importance of getting people to like, comment, and share the post. First of all, some people don't respond or take action straight away until they see engagement. Okay, and this is what engagement is. And so when people see a lot of people actually taking action on something, it creates a sense of urgency for them to go ahead and do the same. So as you can see here, let's see, continues to go. People are saying info please, info please, info please. And in this video, all I did was ask them to like the post, comment info, and share the post. So not everybody shared the post, but again, like sharing the post is going to share it onto their wall on their Facebook, and it's going to allow me to be able to be on you know, basically get more traffic from their Facebook wall at the same exact time. So I don't have to worry about pretty much anything. I just, you know, I'm able to connect this automation tool, and it also works on their wall as well. So so with that being said, folks, that's how simple it is. A simple video here, but I want to share with you real quick on how to find other videos on Facebook. So what you're going to do right now is go ahead and type in like, so there's going to be a bunch of videos here. As you can see, here is one here. Here's another here. Here's another. Here's another. Here's another. These are all the videos that you want to use. So like for example, I wanted to use this one. I would go ahead and in the browser, go ahead and copy the link in the browser, or if it'll let you get the link out of here, go ahead and get the link out of there. But what I do is I just get the link in the browser, and then I head on over to a site called, alright, so you're going to use this site called getfbvideo.com. That's getfbvideo.net. And so like what I did was I pasted in the link, and now I'm able to download the video. So what I do is I just download the video, and then you can, you know, use your iMovie or something or whatever, just, you know, add or take away from the footage so that it is original. You don't want to just upload the exact footage. So like you can go on YouTube and find another video and just add some content in there. Just kind of like do a little mashup with the video so it's unique. But that's essentially what you do. You re-upload this using the same like lingo that they use, which is what this kid did is awesome. Like, share, comment, info to find out how he did it.
and then he has an autoresponder that goes, see, page responded privately. So like he uses the same type of technique. Anytime that you see page responds privately, that is a messenger bot that's actually messaging these people. So he's not actually messaging all of these people. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Like I'm gonna go and see ManyChat. Um, ManyChat here is what we use. Like I said, this is a messenger bot, and you can, whatever you want it to, respond to. Like for example, message is I'm ready. So if they say I'm ready, it's going to send them a message because of this action and this keyword, these keywords that you're using as a trigger for your bot to go ahead and message those people with the info. Okay, and so that's the dope thing about this thing. It does work, and it like you can, like I said again, like you can tailor the message however you want, but you're definitely gonna want to tailor to obviously send them a link so they can go ahead and go on over to Clickbank, check the product, and that's pretty much it. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Short, sweet, and to the point. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you want more videos where I share with you my secrets on how to just make extra 200, 300 bucks a day, then hey, you're in the right place at the right time. Go ahead and subscribe. Take care.